Hello and welcome to Pi Education. This is Sumit Kumar Chaube, and today I am bringing yet another most important problem for signal and system examination for University of Pune. Now, what happens in this type of question is that PDF of a random variable will be given and you will be asked to find out mean value, mean square value, variance and standard deviation. Sometimes instead of a given random variable, you will be given a standard random variable like a uniform random variable, and you will be asked to find out mean, standard deviation, mean square value, variance. So as you can see, I have about 7 or 8 question paper from the last 5 to 6 years, and this question has been asked in every one of them. So this is one of the most important problem, you can say. Here you can see that this is one of the question, this is another problem, this is another problem, this is another problem, then this is another problem, this is another problem, this is another problem. So this is very important problem. If you are appearing for Pune University Signal and System examination, you must prepare for this question. So the question is very simple. Probability density function of a random variable will be given, and you will be asked to find out mean, standard deviation, variance, mean square value. So this is not a very difficult problem. It's in fact very easy. All you have to do is to remember some formula and you can apply them and find out the values, these given values. Okay, so let's start by solving one of the problem. So for demonstration purpose, today I have chosen a problem which has been asked in 2017, and this was a question from 2012 course, I believe, or 2015. It's a very simple question. Probability density function is given here, and we have been asked to find out mean square, variance and standard deviation. Okay, so it's very simple. Let's start by finding out these value, one of the value mean, which is also written as x bar. It can be also written as ex. This is what you have to watch out. Sometimes you will be asked to find out mean, sometimes this value will be given, this notation will be given, and you will have to find out this value. So all this means the same thing, and this has the formula minus infinity to infinity f of capital X dx, x times, so e of x will be equal to x time f of x dx. It's as simple as that, from integration from minus infinity to infinity. So in this particular case, this is going to be equal to 0 to 1, because our function is only defined between 0 and 1. It is 0 otherwise. Is that clear? So it is going to be like that only. So in this case, 0 to 1, x time x square and dx, and what you will be getting is x to the power 4 by 4. Putting the value 0 and 1, you will get 1 by 4. So the mean is equal to 1 by 4 here in this particular question. Okay, now mean square is written like mod of x square, or sometimes simply e expectation. It's called expectation x square, and this is actually equal to minus infinity to infinity x square times our PDF f of x dx. And in this particular case, it is again going to be 0 to 1 x square times x square dx, and you will get a value, equal to 0 to 1 x to the power 4 dx. So it will be x to the power 5 divided by 5, and limit will be 0 to 1, so you will get 1 by 5. So mean square value is equal to 1 by 5 here in this particular case. Okay, next we have been asked what is the variance. Okay, so variance of the signal is given as sigma square. Sigma is standard deviation and sigma square is variance, and variance here in this case is given as, the formula for variance is e of x minus x bar square. Okay, expectation of x minus x square, x bar. X bar is actually your mean of the signal, or mean of this standard mean of this random variable. So this in fact equal to e, let me do a little bit manipulation, x square minus 2x x bar plus x bar square. Is that clear? And this will be in fact equal to E of x square minus 2 x bar E of x plus x square E of 1. Okay, so this will be actually E of x square, and this we are going to get x bar, and this is again, this term is mean, so you will get x bar, x bar, x bar times x bar 2, x bar times x bar plus x square, and this value is equal to 1. Okay, so what we got here is E of x square minus x bar square, and we have already calculated these value. This is actually equal to 1 by 5, and this is equal to 1 by 4, and then we are going to have a square. So this what we are going to get, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 16, which will be equal to 80, and 16 minus 5, which is equal to 11. So we got 11 by 80 as our answer for variance. Now standard deviation here in this case will be equal to square root of this. Okay, so sigma square is equal to 11 by 80, so sigma will be equal to under root 11 by 80. Thank you very much.